Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's a dry and warm Monday for almost all of South Africa, while tomorrow we'll see a change for the Western Cape as a weak front moves through, bringing some rainfall and cooling things down in that province. Gauteng, on the other hand, your temperatures are going to continue climbing over the next couple of days, and it will be especially hot in the province on Wednesday afternoon. Taking a look at the satellite imagery, and it was a cloudy start to the day over the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment with a bit of fog in places, while cirrus cloud has been moving in over the western parts of the country. We're going to continue seeing some of that cloud cover around for the rest of the day. Out in the Atlantic Ocean, we see a band of cloud in association with an approaching cold front. It's a weak front, and that will only be making landfall along our western coastline in the early hours of tomorrow morning. For the rest of today, partly cloudy conditions returning to the Lowveld, where it will be warm, mostly clear through the central parts, while in the west we still have a bit of that high-level cloud moving through, although it remains dry throughout the day. Down on the southwestern coastline, a bit of cloud cover will start moving in ahead of the front, but we also don't expect any rainfall in the area for the remainder of Monday. And for this reason, we don't have any rain in the forecast for the rest of today, a blank rainfall map for your Monday afternoon. Let's take a look at the alerts, and there is a warning for today for a high fire danger over the western interior of the country. It's going to be a dry and gusty afternoon across that region. Maximum temperatures, and we see shades of orange indicating warm weather all across the country, mid to upper 20s and even reaching the low 30s for Pretoria, Mahikeng, as well as Uppington. We see similar temperatures over parts of the southern interior, with Bergwins in that area pushing the temperatures up. Cooler along the west coast, Cape Town at 21. We have northwesterly winds pushing in cooler air from the Atlantic Ocean, keeping things quite mild in that area. A gusty afternoon for the Karoo, with wind speeds between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour and even stronger than that for Sutherland. And it's also going to be fairly windy along parts of the east coast for the remainder of today. A quick look ahead for Johannesburg in the extended forecast, and as mentioned, temperatures are going to be rising into the middle of the work week. Partly cloudy conditions for Wednesday with a possibility for thunder showers, and the likelihood for thunderstorms extends all the way through to Friday with a gradual drop in temperature towards Friday. But by Saturday we see a bit of a recovery with a high of 26 degrees with mostly clear weather expected. For the rest of South Africa tomorrow, it's going to be clear, dry and hot up in the northern parts. Bombela gets to a high of 36 degrees, cool for Cape Town at 17 with light morning rain expected. And on Wednesday, we're going to see cooler and wet weather settling into KZN and a few thunder showers into the northern interior, and a possibility for light rain once again around the peninsula.